Noticed your garden tap dripping after you turn it off? That small leak can waste thousands of liters of water each year and push up your water bill without you realizing. Fixing it yourself is straightforward and saves both water and money. Start by turning off your mains water supply, usually located near your water meter at the front of your house. Then, open the tap fully to release any pressure left in the pipe. Using a spanner, carefully unscrew the tap head and remove the tap mechanism. At the base, you'll find a rubber washer. This is often the cause of leaks when it's worn or damaged. Use a flat screwdriver to pry out the old washer and replace it with a new one of the same size. 12mm washers are common for garden taps. Put the tap back together and tighten it firmly, but avoid over-tightening as this can strip the threads. Turn your mains water back on and test the tap. If it still drips, check the seating area for grit or corrosion and clean it gently with a cloth or a seating tool. A common mistake is forgetting to turn off the mains before starting, which can cause water to spray everywhere. With this simple washer replacement, you'll stop leaks, save water, and reduce your bill. Every drop counts in an Aussie garden.